If you want to start some trouble this evening, if you have supper with your family or friends, ask if you can have a margarita. And if you're told, no, of course you cannot have a margarita, then say, that's funny. Nobody ever told me I can't have a tulip or a dandelion. Bienvenidos a Stepping Stones Lección 67, Making Margaritas, Part 1. Margarita is a name, and it's also the name, of a plant. Margarita means daisy, a kind of a flower. And some people's names are Daisy. I know a Daisy in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Margarita is also spelled like this in English, Margaret. And some people turn the word Margarita into this spelling, Marguerite, or Marguerite like that. And sometimes, sometimes, here, we can get the word Marge from Margarita. It's just a shortened form. And, let's see, then we can get Margie. You see how knowing one word in another language can help you see all kinds of them in English. We also have Margie, and then we have how do we say it in English? Apodo. How do we say it in nickname? The nickname for Margaret can be Maggie. I met Maggie the other day. And then, you know what? I hear that some people, like one of my family, a lot of people use Peggy as a nickname for Margarita. So there you go. Lots of words, lots of names based on that one Spanish palabra, Margarita. Now I'm going to sing you a birthday song in Español while I make margaritas. And there's more than one birthday song in Spanish. I'm going to sing you one of them today. And if you'd like to sing along and make margaritas with me, then get your drawing paper or crayons or whatever you have and sing and make margaritas with me. And in a little while, I'll show you the words for the song. I'll show you the words in a little while. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti, que los cumplas, papacito, que los cumplas feliz. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti, que los cumplas, mamacita, que los cumplas feliz. I have made 3 margaritas. Here are the words. We've been singing cumpleaños feliz, happy birthday. But actually, when we say happy birthday, not in a song, but when we say it to somebody, we say feliz cumpleaños. So we would put the feliz in front. But why do we have it like this? Because in Spanish is very flexible. We can turn words around and put them just about any place we want. I'm going to continue making margaritas now. So draw and sing along if you'd like. And when you go home tonight, don't forget to tell your family that you made margaritas and they were absolutely delicious, ricas. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti, Que los cumplas, papacito. Que los cumplas feliz. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos a ti. Que los cumplas, mamacita. Que los cumplas feliz. Now let's do this with abuelito. We'll wish him feliz cumpleaños. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos a ti. Que los cumplas, abuelito. Que los cumplas feliz. Look at the words. Happy birthday. Te deseamos a ti. We wish for you. Que los cumplas, abuelito. May you fulfill them. May you complete them, Grandpa. May you complete them. May you fulfill them happily. Now look at the margaritas that I have made. Here we have una margarita morada with some hojas verdes y un tallo. Here we have una margarita amarilla con un centro azul y una margarita blanca con un centro amarillo. And I know that not everybody has a dad at home. Not everybody has a dad. Not everybody knows where their dad went. My papacito left when I was 14. Soon I'm going to see him again, and it'll be the last time I ever see him. He lives far away. He's almost always lived far away. It's not going to be a sad time. It's going to be a happy time. Now, in Spanish, maybe you've heard in English, maybe you have heard my better half. A lot of times people say my better half when they mean their spouse. In Spanish, the way we say my better half, we say half of an orange. That's just how you say it. So it would go like this. Instead of my better half, you say mi media naranja. My half of an orange. So, my dad's half of an orange for a while, for 23 years, was my mama. And he and my ma got on each other's nerves. So there were two half oranges. But they didn't get along very well. So I'm not going to put them together. My mother always wanted us to believe, always wanted us kids to believe that everything that went wrong was my dad's fault. And so we blamed our papacito for years for all kinds of problems. But you know what? I never heard him say anything bad about his media naranja. So that's something good about my papa, even though he wasn't around too much. Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti, que los cumplas, papacito. Que los cumplas feliz.